This is how to do a helicopter. Step one is, so you curl up into a ball like you're sad. And then you stick out this leg. To be honest, this one's more comfortable for me to swing around, keep it completely straight, and jump over it. And then swing it all the way back around. So it just goes. So once you get the hang of just that without bending your leg, then you can move on to the next step. Okay, step 2. So once you have this, you need to practice doing this super fast and then jumping over it, like if you could like swing like that. And then you swing, you kind of like lift your butt up into like this. If you can do this, then you can, and then you go back down and you end here. Basically only 2 steps. And then you get this. And I forgot step 3. Step 3 is, so you start in this position and I say subscribe to Random X.